this particular tournament is actually organized once in a year.
It's happening in 6 cities, and all the cities, the winners are going to play a national finals in Delhi. And whoever wins in Delhi is going to fly to Spain, and hopefully they'll get to watch a Real Madrid match there.
So we've been waiting. We missed last time in the quarterfinals. We lost, but we don't want to do it. I mean, we want to kind of finish it till the end. So that passion, that energy, we have it still.
So actually, we've been seeing a lot of support from all of the corporates. So actually, in Mumbai, Bangalore, and Delhi, in fact, the corporates really we have a lot of corporates playing football. So they really take it very seriously. So it's more like a religion than that. So, but right now, it's been pretty amazing. We've gathered about 24 teams here in Bangalore, and in fact, we had much bigger numbers in Delhi and Mumbai.
It's a very good opportunity for all of us to, play when people don't expect you to. Obviously, there's a lot of support that we get from everyone, from the organizers as well.
We don't want to disclose anything, but we're going to be concentrating on a lot of women football because we had a lot of teams this time, unexpected also. So it was a good thing that we want to focus on now.
Of course, that's a very thing. And apart from that, we guys are hopefully getting into other cities as well next year.
During our engage, we didn't have this kind of platform to kind of having an academy every nook and corner of this place. But today it's completely different, and we actually take it seriously in terms of this game. And I'm happy that a lot of organization come, coach, nurture young talent, teach them from the grassroots level, which is really good.